Hey everyone, Jason Catrone here.
Shelby Rollins here.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.
How you doing, Jason?
Fantastic. You know why I'm fantastic? Because I like this artist we're going to react to today.
Oh yes, me too. Me too. What do you
We'll
like
hold him
about
in
this
suspense.
artist?
I mean, just his tone, his whole vibe, all of his music's just really great. The stuff he did with other people's been really great. Like he's just like
It's fun.
he's fun and he's
It's
become
very poppy, catchy.
iconic in his
guy.
own right. So we'll tell you in just a second, but before they do that, tell the lovely people what to do, Shelby.
You got to subscribe.
Bam, bam, bam.
You got to go watch our podcast,
Yes, yes, and yes.
and you got to go to the Patreon. Go get on that.
Woohoo!
Now I'm
Go get
momming.
it.
I'm momming a little bit. This is the voice I use with my children. Okay, it's time to go do your laundry. You cannot go do XYZ until you fold your clothes and put them away. So you cannot watch this video until you subscribe and go watch the podcast and go to the Patreon. Okay, I'm ready.
I'm sure they're gonna follow your orders.
Well, I feel like it's my mom woo-woo.
Yeah.
It should help. Let me know if it worked.
Gonna leave
Okay.
that one right where it was. Here we go. We're gonna hit this subscribe button. We got some Jimin coming your way like crazy.
You're crazy. It didn't work.
Oh, no.
Let me try.
Oh no. Oh. Wow.
See, I had the mom touch.
You had the mom touch.
Mom woo-woo. It's very montagey already.
Close up eyeballs.
Hello.
I think even with a face filter, my skin wouldn't look that great.
We can't all be Jimin.
It's for sure. Oh, it's good.
I love the back and forth between English and not English that a lot of
Yeah, I do
cultures
too.
do in pop music.
Yeah, I think it's really cool. Great pop writing.
Yeah. And I want to talk about that when this is over. Some of the songwriting strategy
Yeah.
in these songs. Because I've got questions. Like, what skincare products do you use, right? One of those questions.
That's definitely a good question. I would never sit on a bathroom floor.
Fair point. But it's a set. I think it's okay.
Okay, true.
It does look authentic, though, and kind of dirty. This is supposed to be like a club bathroom, you know?
Yeah.
Those are gross.
Those are real gross. We saw what was coming out of the walls.
Yes.
Love that line.
I do. That melody's so good.
See, he sat on the floor. Oh,
Ew, gross. Just the littlest bit creepy. Like, just enough.
Just enough to lure you in deeper.
Yeah, to not be like repulsed and turned off, but to kind of be like, why is it creepy?
That's what makes it good.
Yeah,
That's what makes it good. Very intentional.
Okay.
Talk to me.
But what was really striking about this was how well the songwriters bounced back and forth between English and, what is this?
South Korean.
Korean. I thought it was Korean, but I didn't want to say it wrong.
Korean.
Okay, English and Korean. And how, like, the rhyming scheme worked. Did you notice that?
Yeah, that's
Korean words were rhyming with English words.
I didn't put that together, but that's another level of brilliant.
Yeah.
I loved it. This was clever. It was brilliant. Video was great. You're right. I love that little like creepiness to it. Just made me want more.
Yes.
But yet his voice is Jimin, and so there's
So
nothing creepy
smooth.
about that. It's so
Yeah,
smooth.
yeah.
Yeah, these juxtapositions are really, really cool.
Yeah.
I loved it. Yeah, this is
Agreed.
fantastic.
Yes.
Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to do more Jimin all the time, always.
We'll be Jimin all the time.
Be Jimin
Jimin
and
like crazy.
Jimin and Jammin'.
Because that's a play on words because Jimin sounds like jammin'.
Yeah.
We're going to be jamming to Jimin.
Wasn't there a song,
crazy.
We be jamming, we be jamming? That was like a...
Sounds like Bob Marley.
yeah, I think that's a Bob Marley song. Great artist. All right.
Yes.
Enough bantering.
Here we go.
Until next time, I'm Jason Catrone.
I'm Shelby Rollins.
We are Vocal Lab Collective.